warm-up music aside, there is actually a study that was recently conducted by Dr. Brad Schoenfeld, the world's expert on hypertrophy, and his laboratory.
Yep.
And they have illustrated something that most lifters of a certain degree of intelligence level and long-time participation have realized. And it's that there are two different kinds of warm-up. The general warm-up, which is when you go in and you do the elliptical for 15 minutes, maybe you foam roll, maybe do some dynamic stretching. That's all fine and good. And then there's the specific warm-up, which is whatever lift you have first in your program. You do it for about a set of 12, very light weights, a set of 12 with maybe your 30 rep max. Then you do a set of 8 after a few minutes of rest with maybe your 20 rep max. Then you do a set of 4-ish, 2 to 4 reps with something like your 10 rep max. Then you rest a little bit, and then you're ready to do whatever load. That specific warm-up is a very good idea from a variety of perspectives. It warms up your tissues. It makes them more pliable, less likely to get hurt. It also activates and wakes up your nervous system. It aligns your actual muscle fibers more into the direction of pull or whatever exercise you're doing. It decreases the sensitivity of what are called Golgi tendon organs, which are detectors in your muscles for how much force is being transduced. And they start out not warmed up by being like, holy shit, that's a lot of force. And they actually tamper down how much your nervous system can activate. After a few warm-up sets, you literally are stronger.
Which is why you can't cold bar your 1 rep max.
Exactly. The GTOs need to kind of cool down. And after a few reps, a few sets of progressively heavier weight, they're like,
oh, we're safe here. This is okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so I'm thinking like functionally when we get into the gym, what this means. Let's say that we're going in to do a chest day, or let's say we're going to do a chest and back day, like just a full, like a push-pull day. You're going to start off with incline dumbbell press. Does that mean that the 12-8-4 method for incline press, do you then need to do the same thing again for back?
Yes.
Right. Would you do those two together? Would you maybe alternate from, okay, I'm going to press a little bit, and then during my couple of minutes rest, I'll go and row a little bit or whatever?
What I like to do is I like to warm up for the exercise I'm doing next. Once I warm up, I do that exercise, and then whatever exercise I have after is one of two options. One, it's the same muscle group, just more exercise. After incline press, I'm on to push-ups or something, same muscle group. Then I only have to do what the great Jay Cutler actually termed as a feel set. It's like you just put some weight on there, maybe not your working weight, maybe your working weight. You just do a couple reps, maybe 5 to 10, maybe fewer, just to feel out, just to get the technique right.